Hello, my name is Saurabh Adhane and I am here to represent you and to tell you about the how Medium app has increased my productivity. When I started using Medium app, my productivity increases twice. And then also I wrote an article on Medium about how I increased my productivity on Medium by using Medium app. So here I am going to tell you about the benefit of using Medium app for writing. As a writer, we face many problems for to manage our time. If you are using Medium app, then it will help you to write more and write efficiently. So let's begin. Uh, Generally, I use Medium app whenever I go outside. Means when I have more time, a lot of time, when I was in a queue waiting for tickets, waiting for a bus, then I get more time. So in order to use this time, I used Medium app to write more because uh, by writing on Medium, I get extra motivation and I get more time, and in fact it increases my productivity. The second point that I have wrote here, you can write articles that are not research based. It's very important to write non-research based article. The article which can be your life experience, it can be about your life, because when the article is about your life, you can write it easily and in efficient way. So writing on Medium app is just like a luxury. If you write on the topic you know, the topic in your daily life, and the topic which are not research based, okay, then you can edit your work later. Some writer asks me when I write articles on mobile phone, how I can they edit them. If you are writing on mobile phone, you can edit your article later on your laptop, and and I am telling you it will not affect your any performance of your article. See, I wrote this article on mobile app and how it is looking. And then fourth point is don't shoot for perfectness. Okay, when you are trying to shoot for perfectness, then it will hurt your performance. No article can be perfect. No article can be 100% right. Just we have to find bugs in our article like we find bugs in our coding programming. And then I am going to explain the fifth point, how you can get more time for writing. This is very serious problem for all the writers, how they can get more time for writing. When I was in my job, I always worried about my writing timing. But when I started writing on Medium app, it has increased my productivity, my writing speed. It gave me platform to write anywhere, and it gave me free interface to write. Okay, in this way, Medium writing app has increased my productivity. You can read my articles on Medium site in the Made Writer publication. And the Made Writer publication is created for the helping all the Medium writers. You can follow this publication on Medium. Also, if we want to read this article, the link is given in the subscription box. In description box. You will get there. And if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.